Hello everyone. Worksheet 6, question 1. Question is determine which rational number is greater. You have to tell which rational number is greater. First thing which you have to remember in your mind that while finding out which rational number is greater, the negative sign should not be there in the denominator. If negative sign is there in the denominator, then you will shift it on the upper side. So this is the first thing which you have to remember, that the denominator should always be positive. Now we will see the question. In first part, both are having positive denominator. So what we will do? We will find out the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 8 and 7, that is 56. So same procedure we will follow. Write 56 here. Now नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So if you will divide 56 by 8, you would be getting 7. 7 multiply 5, that is 35. Similarly for the second part, नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So 8 and 8 multiply minus 3, that would be minus 24. Now next step, write them separately. 35 upon 56 and minus 24 minus 24 upon 56. Now which one is greater? Out of these two, which one is greater? This one is greater. This one is greater. Therefore, 35 upon 56 is greater minus 24 upon 56. Now, this is the solution. Now, you have to write the actual rational number. So, this 35 by 56 is the solution for 5 by 8. So, it means 5 by 8 is greater than minus 3 by 7. I hope this question is clear to all of you. Similarly, in this part, again you have to follow same thing. Remember, see whether the denominator is positive. If it is not positive, make it positive and then you will follow the procedure. So here, the denominator is already positive. So you will find out the LCM of 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 LCM is 21. Now same procedure, make a line, write 21, नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So if you will do the divide, 7 and ऊपर से multiply minus 28, and here you will get 3 and multiply with upper, so minus 18. Now write them separately. You will write it like this, write them separately. Now out of these two, which one is greater? Out of these two, which one is greater? This is minus 28 and this is minus 18. Denominators are same. So minus 18 is greater. Minus 18 is greater. So minus 28 upon 21 is less than this. So this is the solution for second part. So therefore minus 4 by 3 less minus 6 by 7. Similarly, now look at this fourth part. In fourth part, the denominator is negative. So what we would do? We will make it positive. So it would be minus 8 by 3 and minus 19 by 6. So what we have done it here? We have made the denominator positive by writing it in the standard form. So shift this minus on the upper side. Now we would take the LCM. So LCM of same procedure 3 and 6, that would be 6. Now put the line 6, नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply 2 and minus 16, and here 1 and minus 19. So what should be next step? Write them separately. Write them separately. Now which one is greater? Minus 16 is greater. So minus 16 upon 6 is more than minus 19 by 6, and this is a solution of the first one. So minus 8 by 3 is greater than 19 upon minus 6. In sixth part, again observe the denominator. The denominator is negative. One of the rational number denominator is negative. So make the denominator positive. So this minus you will shift it on the upper side. So it would become minus 5 by 8. Now you would take the LCM of, you will take the LCM of 11 and 8. So it would be 88. I think you must be knowing how to find out the LCM. So write the LCM here, 88. नीचे से divide means 8, ऊपर से multiply, so minus 56. नीचे से divide 11 and multiply it with the upper part, minus 55. So next step, write them separately. Write them separately. Now you have to see which one is greater. As the denominators are same, so you have to see the numerator. Which one is greater? Minus 56 or minus 55? Minus 55 is greater. So minus 56 upon 88 less minus 55 upon 88. So now you have to write the actual rational number. Therefore, minus 7 by 11 less 5 by minus 8. Now, question 2. Question 2 is find the value of x if this is equals to this. Both the rational numbers are equal and you have to tell the value of x. So since it is equal is given, so what we will do? We will do the cross multiplication. So 3 multiply 15 equal minus 5 multiply x. So now in this, as we have done the cross multiplication, now you have to find out the value of x. X value you have to find out. तो आप कैसे करेंगे? What we will do? We will 3 multiply 15 and this minus 5 will go in the denominator. x के साथ जो भी term लिखी होगी that will always go in the denominator. What should be next step? Cancel the terms. So it would be cancelled like this. So and minus sign should not be in the denominator. So you will take it on the numerator side. So it will be 3 multiply 3 upon minus 1. Upon minus 1. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? How would we write it? Upon minus 1 equal x. Now denominator में minus sign नहीं होना चाहिए. So we will take it on the upper side. So it would become minus 9 equal x. So this would be the value of x. Similarly, we will go for the next part. Again we will do the cross multiplication. Now in this case, minus 4 upon 1. You will write it like this. Now do the cross multiplication. So minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply x equal 36 multiply 1. So x would be 36 multiply 1 upon minus 4. Now cancel it. So x would be 9 upon minus 1. Again in the denominator minus 1 is there. So shift it on the upper side to get the answer. So in this case also the answer is minus 9. In fourth part, this is 7. So write it 7 upon 1. Now same procedure. minus x multiply 7 equals 7 multiply 1. So x would be 7 multiply 1 upon, ये देखिए minus sign is also there, so minus into 7, so minus 7. Now next step to cancel it, so it would be what it should be. So in this case x would be 1 upon minus 1. Now minus in the denominator, so shift it on the upper side, so x would be minus 1. So there is no need to write it minus 1 upon 1 because it has same meaning. Now come to question 3. Question 3 is again same as question 1. Compare the rational numbers. Compare means whether greater, less than or equal. So before we will go for the question, observe the denominator sign. If the denominator is negative, so make it positive first. So it would be minus 2 upon 9 and minus 8 upon 36. Now same procedure, take the LCM. So LCM of 9 and 36, it would be 36. अब आपको सेम प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना है, नीचे से डिवाइड ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई. तो डिवाइड 4 एंड मल्टीप्लाई minus 2, divide 1 and multiply minus 8. What should be next step now? What it should be? Write them separately. So minus 8 upon 36 and this is also minus 8 upon 36. So what do you observe? What do you observe? Both of them are equal. Both of them are equal. So it is equal. So therefore minus 2 by 9 equal 8 upon minus 36. Second part. In second part, the denominators are positive. So directly we will find out the LCM of denominator 9 and 6. So its LCM would be 18. So LCM 18, नीचे से divide 2 and ऊपर से multiply 10. नीचे से divide 3, multiply it with upper 12. Now write them separately. Ab, what do you observe? You have to compare it. So this part is greater. So therefore 10 upon 18 less 12 upon 18. So this implies 5 by 9 less 4 by 6. Same procedure we will follow for the fourth part. What should be the first thing which you have to see? क्या देखना पड़ेगा हमें? The denominator. Here the denominator is negative. So what we will do? We will make it positive. So it would be minus 4 by 7 and minus 5 by 9. Now LCM of 7 and 9. So it is 63. Same procedure. 63 नीचे से divide 9 minus 36, 7 and minus 35. Write them separately. You have to write them separately. And now you will see which one is greater. So minus 35 by 63 is greater. So put the symbol accordingly. So this is greater. And this is a solution for the second part. So therefore minus 4 by 7 less 5 by minus 9. Similarly in fifth part, the denominators are positive. So we will find out the LCM directly. So LCM of 8 and 11. So it would be 88. नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So minus 55, minus 24. So write them separately. Write them separately. Now observe which one is greater. So this part is greater. So therefore minus 55 upon 88 less minus 24 upon 88. So this means minus 5 by 8 less minus 3 by 11. In sixth part, observe the denominator. The denominator is negative, or we can say in this part this negative and negative could be cancelled out. So the question is now 6 by 7 and 54 by 63. LCM of 7 and 63, so it is 63. Write 63 here. नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So if you will do the division, 63 divided by 7, you would get 9. 9 multiply 6. So it would be 54. And here again it is 54. So write them separately. So what do you observe here? Both of them are equal. So 54 upon 63 equal 54 upon 63. So it means that both the rational numbers are equal in this case. I hope these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.